Question 21 focuses on IAS 10, which deals with events after the reporting period. The key thing in IAS 10 is to consider whether these events are adjusting or non-adjusting, and in this case it is the adjusting events which we're looking for, and we need to identify two of them. So as far as adjusting events are concerned, really what we're looking for here is those events which provide further evidence of a condition which existed at the reporting date. So if we look at that in the context of the given examples, a change in exchange rates in the post-reporting period would only have effect in the post-reporting period, so that would be a non-adjusting event. The next two both regard the liquidation of a customer owing $200,000, but in the first instance that's $200,000 that were owed at the reporting date, whereas in the second instance it relates to goods that were actually sold after the reporting date. So thinking about the idea of it providing further evidence of something existing at the reporting date, in the case of these two, it's only the first example which would be considered adjusting. Moving on to the next scenario then, the destruction of a significant amount of inventory as a result of a flood that took place after the reporting date but before production of the accounts. Again, this is a natural disaster occurring after the reporting date, so the condition doesn't exist at that date. So this would be another example of a non-adjusting event. So the final one hopefully will be adjusting, and if we look at that one, it says we're looking at sales of inventory for $20,000 after the reporting date, which had been valued at cost at the reporting date. Looking back at IAS 2 on inventories, we said inventory should be valued at the lower of cost and NRV, and what this one does is give us indication that NRV was actually lower than cost. So yes, this would have been an adjusting event.